Tension crackles in the heart of the African savanna, where a scene of unexpected peril unfolds. A lone, bewildered cow, far from the safety of its farm, finds itself trapped in a precarious position. It has wandered into the territorial crossroads of the wilderness, now surrounded by a tense circle of native animals. A pride of lions watches with low growls from one side, their tails twitching with predatory interest, while a skittish herd of zebras stamps and snorts from another, and a trio of opportunistic hyenas lurks in the shadows. The cow, a giant of domesticity, turned into a trembling statue of fear. Dogs were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago, making them one of the first domesticated animals. Dogs can see in the dark better than humans, due to a structure called the tapetum lucidum in their eyes. Dogs come in an astonishing range of sizes, from the tiny chihuahua, about 2 pounds. Dogs form strong bonds with their humans and can experience separation anxiety when left alone too long. Goats were among the first animals to be domesticated over 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. Goats are strictly herbivores. They eat grass, leaves, shrubs, bark, and weeds, but not trash, despite the myth. Goats have horizontal rectangular pupils. This gives them wide peripheral vision to spot predators. Goats are ruminants. They chew cud to help digest tough plant material in a 4-chambered stomach. Horses can sleep while standing thanks to a special locking system in their legs, but they need to lie down for deep sleep. Horse's eyes are on the sides of its head, giving it a nearly 360 degrees view. Horses can learn commands, recognize human emotions, and remember people for years. Horses naturally live in herds and form strong bonds with other horses and humans. Gorillas are part of the great ape family, along with humans, chimpanzees, and orangutans. Gorillas use tools, show emotions, and can learn sign language. For example, Coco, the gorilla. Gorillas mostly eat leaves, fruit, stems, and bamboo. Occasionally, they may eat ants or termites. A bull is an intact, not castrated, adult male of the species Bos-taurus, domestic cattle. Castrated males are called steers. Bulls are colorblind to red. It's the movement of the matador's cape in bullfighting that triggers a reaction, not the color bulls often compete for dominance in a herd. Fights can involve locking horns, pushing, or even charging.
Tigers are the largest cats in the world. A male Siberian tiger can weigh over 600 pounds, 270 kilograms, and grow up to 10 feet, 3 meters, long with tail. Tigers are mostly nocturnal. Their eyes are specially adapted for night vision. They can see 6 times better than humans in the dark. Tigers are endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. Only around 4,000 tigers are left in the wild. Tigers love water and are excellent swimmers, unlike most cats. They often cool off in rivers or lakes.
Moose are strong swimmers and can swim up to 6 miles, 10 kilometers, without stopping. They can even dive up to 20 feet, 6 m, underwater to feed. Moose are often found near lakes, rivers, and wetlands where they can access aquatic plants and cool off. Moose can be very dangerous, especially if threatened or during rutting season. Collisions with vehicles are a serious concern due to their size and height. Moose are strong swimmers and can swim up to 6 miles, Zebras live in groups, herds, and often form strong family bonds. Plains zebras form harems, one male with several females and foals, while Grevy's zebras are more solitary. Zebras live in savannas, grasslands, woodlands, shrublands, and even mountainous regions across eastern and southern Africa. Zebras are hindgut fermenters, meaning they digest food in their cecum and colon, allowing them to extract nutrients from low-quality forage. Donkeys have excellent memories. They can recognize places, and other donkeys they haven't seen in years. Donkeys can carry up to 30% of their body weight and pull even more. They've been used as pack animals for centuries. Donkeys form strong bonds with other donkeys, animals, or humans. Lonely donkeys can become sad or depressed. Donkeys are highly intelligent, not stubborn. They're just careful and cautious by nature. Lions are carnivores and apex predators. They mainly eat large animals like zebras, wildebeest, and buffalo. Lions are classified as vulnerable by the IUCN due to habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. Lions are the only truly social cats. They live in groups called prides. A pride usually consists of related females, their offspring, and 1-3 adult males. Cows are gentle farm animals known for giving us milk, which is used to make cheese, yogurt, butter, and more. Cows are very social animals and form close bonds with other cows, often having best friends in their herd. Cows have been domesticated for over 10,000 years and are important for dairy, meat, leather, and farming in many cultures. Cows are herbivores and eat only plants like grass, hay, and grains. The cow, a giant of domesticity turned into a trembling statue of fear, is well and truly stuck in the middle, its mournful lowing a stark contrast to the angry chorus of the wild. This is the critical moment that triggers the animal rescue mission. A dedicated team, alerted by concerned rangers,